In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the same Microsoft Outlook email address on two computers. If you use Outlook at home and at work, or on a desktop and a laptop, the good news is that Outlook is designed to sync the same email, calendar, and contacts across devices. The process is simple. You're just signing in on the second computer with the exact same email address you already use on the first one. Start on the second computer and open Microsoft Outlook. If Outlook is already signed in with another account, that's okay. You don't need to remove anything. You're simply going to add your email. Look toward the top right of Outlook for your profile icon, which might show your photo or your initials. Click that profile icon, then choose Add an Account. A sign-in window will appear. Type the same email address you use on your first computer, then click Connect. Outlook may now ask for your password. Enter it carefully and continue. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing in. Depending on your setup, you might be asked to confirm your identity or approve the sign-in. Simply complete whatever the screen asks you to do. When you're done, Outlook will begin connecting your account and syncing your data. Give it a moment to pull everything down. The first sync can take a little while, especially if you have a large mailbox or a lot of calendar entries. You can keep working while Outlook syncs in the background. Once it's done, you'll see the same inbox, folders, sent items, and calendar that you already have on your first computer. Nothing changes on the first computer when you add the account to the second. Both machines can stay signed in at the same time, and any action you take, reading a message, moving it to a folder, or sending a reply, will update everywhere because Outlook is syncing to the same account. If you run into a prompt again, it usually means Outlook needs a quick confirmation or the password was entered incorrectly. Just re-enter your details and continue. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so Outlook can complete the setup and sync smoothly. Also note that button labels and screens can vary slightly depending on your Outlook version, but the flow is the same. Profile icon, add an account, enter your email, click connect, and follow the prompts. And that's it. You've set up the same Microsoft Outlook email address on two computers. If this video helped, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tips.